Hill, JR with United Country Virginia Realty. Just hit the market, 10.67 acres in the heart of Halifax County, Virginia, in the community of Oak Level. So this property is situated at the corner of Oak Level Road and Hummingbird Lane. And I tell you, you can tell by this aerial footage here that it is just absolutely spectacular out in that area. What's unique about that community is it's just tucked away from your normal beaten path. Once you head down Old 360 out of Halifax County, heading towards Danville and Chatham area, I'm telling you, it's gorgeous out there. So about this property now, 10.67 total acres that's being broken into two separate parcels. Parcel A, 5.3 acres, and Parcel B, 5.3 acres. Each tract of land is being offered at $49,000 apiece, or buy all 10 for $98,000. So for this particular piece of property, the seller has authorized owner financing, and there are specific terms that apply with owner financing. So don't hesitate to give me a call, 804-210-6533, for those terms. Would love to talk to you about them. Also, the seller's indicated that there is a nearby neighboring parcel. It adjoins Parcel B of another 5 acres. That if you're looking for more land, this property could be available to you as well. Just the offer needs to be right and certainly commensurate to what's being sold. So when you think about potential uses for this property, like I say, when the property is sold and you leave the closing table, you're going to have your own modern survey and you're going to have a perk test. So it's a great place to put your next dream home. Start a mini farm, maybe even a little homestead. And I tell you, it's just gorgeous out there. So listen, if you want to take a look at it, don't hesitate to ride through yourself. Corner of Oak Level Road and Hummingbird Lane. You can put 962 or 982 Hummingbird Lane in your GPS in South Boston, Virginia, and it'll take you there. And you'll see the real estate signs once you get there. Drive through, take a look at it, see for yourself. Or give me a call. I'd love to show it to you. 804-210-6533 if you're interested in the property. And listen, if you like this video, certainly don't hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button down below to follow for more great clips of what's available out there to you. And importantly too, you know, when you're asking yourself, well, what do I think my property's worth in today's market? There's no better time now than now to have someone come out for no cost to you and really just take a look at your land and see what your property would sell for. And you know, I'd love to do that for you. Give me a call, 804-210-6533. Love to chat with you if you're looking to sell property. If you're looking to buy property, if you got something out there, don't hesitate to call me. All right, listen. Check out the listing. Give me a call. Y'all be good. See you next time.